Connecting your Ticket Tailor event with your LinkedIn event is a great way to foster community and help your attendees network with each other before the event. They'll have the option to join the LinkedIn event. They'll also be able to check out who else is going so that they can network beforehand. This takes them directly to your LinkedIn event page. It's really easy to set this up on Ticket Tailor. First, go to your Ticket Tailor dashboard and click on Settings. Then go to Connect Apps and scroll down to activate your LinkedIn Community Builder. Click Configure and then Activate. Now every event you create is ready to link to your LinkedIn events. To connect to your events, head over to your events page and click on the new event that you want to connect to LinkedIn. Click Edit Event and Tickets and scroll down to the event settings. Then just go to your LinkedIn event, copy the URL and paste it where it says LinkedIn event URL. Save and you're all connected.